In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have a fully designed, published page that can start collecting leads for your business or project. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head straight to your main dashboard. At the top, look for the menu and click on the option labeled Sites. Inside that area, you'll see different site-related tools. Go ahead and select the tab that says Landing Pages. This is where all of your current and future landing pages will live. Next, we're going to create a brand new page. Look for the button that says Create New Landing Page. In some versions, this might appear as Create Site, but it functions the same way. Click that button, and Mailerlite will start the setup flow for your new page. You'll now be asked to give your page a name and choose a group. The name is just for your own organization, so pick something that makes sense, like Webinar Signup or Lead Magnet Page. Then select the subscriber group where you want new signups to be stored. This step is important because it determines where your new leads will go inside your email list. After that, you'll choose how you want to start building your page. You have three main options. You can use a template where you select from professionally designed layouts and simply customize the content. You can use the AI Builder, which asks a few questions about your goal, industry, and style, and then generates a page for you if your plan includes that feature. Or you can start from scratch with a completely blank canvas if you want full control over every section. Once you're in the editor, it's time to design your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different blocks, like headings, text, images, forms, and buttons. Just drag and drop these blocks onto your page. Click any element to change the text, colors, fonts, and background so they match your brand. Make sure you add a sign-up form block, since that's how you'll collect leads. If you create a section you really like, you can save it as a favorite to reuse on future pages. When your layout looks good, move into the settings. In the page settings, you can edit your SEO title and description, customize the URL, upload a favicon, and connect analytics or tracking pixels. In the form settings, adjust the fields you want to collect. Enable GDPR checkboxes if you need them, and choose what happens after someone subscribes, such as a thank you page. You can also add a notification bar or footer if you want extra messaging at the top or bottom of your page. Finally, use the preview options at the top to check how your landing page looks on both desktop and mobile. Make any last tweaks, and when you're happy, click Done Editing, then hit Publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to share.